Hi boys and girls, to start our self-portraits today we're going to start with this little half circle, and it matches pretty well our skin color. There's a couple different options for you to choose from. And we have a black marker and we're going to draw our face. So towards the top of your half circle, you're going to place your finger almost to the top but leave a little space. And we're going to draw two eyes. So for our two eyes, we're going to draw almost like a rainbow line, because we're going to imagine that our eyes are closed. After you draw your two rainbow lines, you're going to draw some eyelashes. You can put them on the corners like this, 1, 2, 3, or you can put them on top, 1, 2, 3. Then in the middle space here, go down a little bit, we're going to draw our nose, and our nose is just going to be a little U. Then our mouth, in the bottom space here, we're going to draw a big upside down rainbow, a big curve. And then we are going to put two little curves on the outside to show that we're smiling nice and big. Now, if you want to get really fancy, you can take a little pink chalk from your table and you can give yourself a little bit of cheeks. Take one finger and blend that pink chalk. And if you want, you can even put a little bit on your nose. This is a wintertime self-portrait, so it almost looks like our nose is a little bit cold in the outside weather. All right, put that aside, and now we're going to grab our prints from last week, our printmaking prints. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4 prints, 2 big ones and 2 small ones. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use the small ones to cut out some mittens. So put your big ones to the side and just have your 2 small ones. You have a little blue tracer at your table. This is to trace the shape of each mitten. So you're going to place that onto the colorful part of your print and use a pencil or a black marker to trace the mitten all the way around. I have one, and now I'm going to trace the second one. Notice how I flipped it so that I have 2 different mittens. Good. Now I'm going to cut those 2 mittens out using my scissors. One mitten. And 2. Great. Now let's put those to the side and grab your 2 bigger prints. The 2 bigger prints are going to be for your hat and your scarf. So grab the next tracer. It looks like a half circle. It's blue. Place that onto your print and go ahead and trace that with your black marker or your pencil. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. This is going to be for my hat. Got it. Place it to the side. Finally, this is going to be my scarf. Now, all I have to do is put a line down the center and cut on that line. No tracing. Good. I got it. All right, now it's time to glue all the pieces together. Let's start with our head and our hat. Those are going to go together like this. Use your glue at your table to go ahead and put a few dots of glue on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the hat. Match those up so there's no space in between. Next, we're going to place our scarf down right below our head so it looks like it's on our neck. We're going to place our scarf like this with one piece going in one direction and the other piece going in a different direction. It almost looks like the scarf is wrapped around my neck. Now for my mittens, I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back of those, and I'm going to place those to the side. It almost looks like my arms are popping up like this. I think that looks great. All right, friends, what are we missing? Well, I think we're missing some details. So here are some details that you could add. Miss Fietner has some fun little pom-poms. If you would like to put some glue onto a pom-pom, you can stick that on the top of your hat. That would look kind of fun. We're missing our hair as well. Use the chalk pastels at your table to color in some hair. My hair is blonde, so I'm going to use a yellow chalk. You might need to use black or brown chalk or orange, depending on the color of your hair. I'm going to use the chalk on its side, not the tip, but the side, almost like it's sleeping on the ground. And I am going to place some hair down from my hat overlapping onto my face a little bit. And I'm going to cover in a few little spaces like that. If you want to add more hair, maybe your hair is really long, maybe you can put some hair that's coming down and overlapping onto the scarf. You can do that. Or if you have really short hair, maybe you just have a little bit of hair poking out from your hat and around your ears, and that's it. Now in the background, what else could I add? I think during winter time, it's fun to add snowflakes to the background. So I'll use my white chalk and I can add some snowflakes. All over. Okay friends, I think I finished my self-portrait. If there's anything else that I want to add to my background, I can use my black marker or my chalk pastels to add those to the background, but I think I am done. I love it. I'm going to put my name on it and put it on the drying rack. Great job, everyone.